What's up guys, Jeffong here and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, it's gonna be different because I'm gonna do a sneaker unboxing with my fiance. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Maria Boy.
From?
Momo City!
So yun, so we just did a collab on her channel. It's called the
Chabacano Challenge.
Chabacano Challenge. So I'm gonna link it sa my description box below. And as I've said, and as I've said, we're gonna do an unboxing ng stickers. So that na ginagawa ko parate. So we're gonna unbox a package or the sneakers of Straightforward. So let's see the box. So may kamot na. Sige, gagawin yung version tapos ganyan yung version. So let's start with the box right here. Ayan, at the top of the box.
Extra lang ata dito.
At the top of the box, we can see the logo of Straightforward and ikaw naman sa gilid, sa side.
Hala, yung pinakamahirap sa akin. Siyempre guys, yung see the barcode. And the size. And the code.
Yan.
And the color.
Yan.
Oh, tama naman.
So as you can see here, I chose the color blue, ganyan. And yan, plain lang siya sa corner. So let's open it. So may kamot open?
I open? 1, 2, 3.
Yan. So yun, inside we can see, syempre, the sneakers and maybe mo maglawanan. Mag-input ka. As you can see, inside we can see the sneakers, tapos
Malamang.
syempre. Then, yung usual na mga sneakers, they use like the normal tissue paper over here.
Tissue paper.
Tissue paper yung tawag dyan.
Crepe paper yan.
Oh, crepe paper daw over here. And yan. Let's take a look at the shoes. And ikaw na, describe mo na yung shoes.
It's white and with blue. Dapat nga blue overall eh, kasi nakasulat blue sa back. So, dapat blue-white or white majority with hint of blue.
Hindi kasi...
Oh, ano? Ano? Sige, basahin mo yung kodigo mo.
So, the name of the sneakers from Straightforward... by the way guys, Straightforward is a local brand based here in Manila. And they have good quality products and super... Yun nga, super quality ng mga fabrics nila. And yun nga, I think this is their first release ng shoes. And it's called the Superlight sneakers. Superlight white sneakers. Kaya, yun yung sinabi mo kanina. It's Superlight white sneakers. Kaya, yung mga color niya is nagbabago lang here sa may back part. Yan, nagbabago lang here. So, they have different colors. They have, ito. Hindi ko kabisado, so I have list. Pero ito lang, yung back part lang. So, I'm gonna put it here na lang yung different colors niya. So, they have...
dito sa akin.
So, they have blue, which is this one. They have gray, red. Yung classic is, which is the black one. Tapos, they have like salmon pink, beige, and yun. So,
gusto yung black.
Oo nga. Actually, yung unang choice ko yung black eh. Pero sa ko para maiba naman, blue. Pero they have, ano rin, pang women's na sneakers. So, yun, sa mga women's
baka naman.
Sa mga women's na naghahanap ng everyday shoes na comfortable, na super light, na good quality, I can recommend this to you. So,
Price-wise?
So, the price is... Coding ako.
Ano?
I think the price is 2,499 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Ano, hindi pala 2,499. It's 2,500. Add na lang ng piso.
Okay. Not bad. Bao?
So this sneaker costs 2,500. It's super it's super versatile, as in different outfits, kahit streetwear ka, kahit preppy ka, kahit naka-shorts ka, feel ko bagay ito sa'yo.
Kahit naka-dress ako.
Oh, actually, pwede nga pang women. So, let's start with the shoes. So, yung sa may toe box niya, it's leather, as in, I mean...
Toe box?
Ito, toe box na tawag dito. It's... So, the toe box is made out of
parang
leather.
Parang Toby's at Starbucks pinagsama. Toe box.
So, yun, yung buong shoes, actually, it's leather. Ayan. You can smell it. It's actually leather. Then, we have a normal shoelaces here na white.
Ano yung hindi normal shoelaces?
Yung color. Hindi normal yun. Tapos, at the back part, we can see the logo of Straightforward na naka... Ano tawag dito?
Yes.
Hindi, ano tawag dito?
Deboss?
We have the logo of Straightforward na naka-deboss at the back part. Tapos we have a... it's like parang smooth na suede. Tama ba?
Parang hindi siya suede.
Parang
like,
leather?
Matte leather siya.
Oh, parang matte leather na smooth.
Actually, meron siyang konting glitters. Kung titingnan nyo ng maayos.
So, it's nice talaga. Tapos, at the bottom part, sa may sole, actually, midsole niya is purely white din. Tapos, ang maganda dito is...
May kaluluwa siya.
Hindi. Yung sole niya is medyo mataas. So, it's like 1 inch? Or 2 inches?
Ganito daw kasi yan mini-measure eh. Oh, 2 inches.
So, parang 1.5 to 2 inches ata yung height. So, perfect din siya. So, makaka-add siya ng height, ganyan. So, let's now look at the bottom part, which is the...
Sole.
The sole. Talaga. Ito yung midsole. Ito yung sole. So, let's take a look at the sole. And, as you can see, it's plain lang with patterns, I think. No?
Oh.
With patterns sa parang art. Yun.
Guess the art. Ano ba? Parang actually parang camouflage siya sa ilalim.
Parang camouflage siya pero white. Ganun.
Yung patterns.
Oh, yung patterns. So yun, let's take a look at the insole naman. So the insole is gray with Shop Straightforward logo over here. Then, ayun.
Gray na.
So, as you've read siguro sa my title, there's gonna be a giveaway. So, make sure to finish this vlog because I'm gonna announce the mechanics at the end of this giveaway. Diba?
Oh, yeah.
So, here's an on-feet preview and a quick, I think, style guide. Pero one look lang siya for you guys. So,
Tamad siya.
So, let's go. So overall, I think the shoes is very comfy, very versatile. Ayan, it's purely white lang, tas the accent is over here. For those of you na parang medyo hindi alam kung anong gusto nila, ano yung ma-recommend mo mga color?
Black.
Black, syempre, di ba? Yung
Basic.
beige, okay din. Beige,
Pwede,
black
pwede.
or beige, okay siya. Or gray.
Actually, red okay din eh.
Okay din yung red.
Actually, lahat ng colors
Oh,
okay.
actually okay siya. So based from my review, it's very comfy, very light, and for the price, sobrang sulit na niya. As in 2,500 for
And
this
quality, yeah.
for this kind of quality, it's super good na. So time for the giveaway mechanics. Straightforward, and I will be giving away one pair to one lucky winner. So the mechanics is just comment your preferred color and size plus your Instagram handle on the comment section below, and make sure to follow me. I am Jeff Ong, and Shop Straightforward on Instagram because we're gonna announce the winner there, I think, sa may IG stories namin. And yan, you can shop their sneakers online at shopstraightforward.com. I'm gonna put it on the link below. Tama ba? Tama naman. Yan, tama. You can shop it at Shop Straightforward. Ganun mo. Kaya na ka. So you can shop these shoes at shopstraightforward.com and make sure to follow them on Instagram and at Shop Straightforward, and you can message them din sa Instagram. They reply fast naman. So that's it for this short vlog with my fiancé na nag-contribute na sobrang dami. So that's it for this short vlog. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at I am Jeff Ong and
At I am Rhea Boy.
at I am Rhea Boy on Instagram, and make sure to watch our recent collab video, which is the Chavacano vlog. I'm gonna put the link sa my description box below. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.
Bye.